Hello, everybody. Welcome again to a new Do It Yourself at Home nail art.
Hello everybody, are you ready for a part 2 from the Model 1 Glitter Party Acrylic Powder set? Because there we go. Do you remember this set? I recently uploaded it on my channel. You can go and watch it if you want to see how I made it. Let me tell you, I think it's gorgeous. I cannot wait to know which set you like the most. So please let me know. So these are the colors I'm gonna use. So yeah, I also gonna use the fine silver a little bit later in the video. So yeah, you're gonna see that. By the way, those Model 1 stickers, I made them myself. Oh my god, I'm so proud of them. So yeah, we started in the tutorial. So the first step I am doing is applying that beautiful strawberry pink acrylic over the complete pinky nail. Make sure to keep it nice and thin. Nobody wants to have a bulky nail, right? And I don't know if you can notice, guys, but with this set, I think my application is going so much better. Yeah, I think it has all to do with my room temperature because it's a lot cooler when I did this set. So yeah, if you looked at the first set I did, yeah, I struggled a lot. So temperature really makes a big difference. I just want to let you know that, guys. Look at that. Look how easy it applies. Beautiful, right? So that is how the pink looks without the fine silver, because we're gonna cover that one with the beautiful fine silver glitter that also comes in this acrylic kit. So we're gonna skip the ring finger straight to the middle finger because I'm gonna do a slant. I wanna make a color block with the pink, black, and holographic gold. Oh my god, guys, let me tell you, that holographic gold, it's to die for. It's so freaking beautiful. You definitely need to have it in your collection. If you love acrylic, yeah, you definitely need to get it. You need to get the whole kit, to be honest. Look at that. So I'm building up like a little brick wall so I can file everything nice and crisp. And now I start to come in with my black. That is how I like to work. First, I like to apply all the lighter colors, and then I always go from light to dark, so my monomer is keeping nice and clean. You know what I mean? I think you know what I mean, right? So now we're going to the pointer finger. I believe, yes, this is a complete black nail. And oh my god, look how black this black is looking, right? That is a true black. Oh my goodness, I'm so in love in it. Yeah, I'm so in. Oh, look at that holographic gold. Ooh, mama, I warned you, didn't I? I warned you. So we're gonna do a beautiful gold fade over that black, and look how easy that goes, guys. Just a little, not a little. Take a medium bead, and then you're just gonna stroke it out over the black and kebab boodles. Alrighty. So this is my thumb. I decided to also do the thumb in this set because I wanted one nail complete covered with that beautiful holographic gold. So that's what I did. Normally I was planning to do a little bit of a different design, so I don't need it to do the thumb, but yeah. You know how that goes, right? You have an ID and then you change that ID and then suddenly you add an extra finger to the set. At least that's how my brain works. But look how easy it applies. Say what? And let me tell you, I also finally discovered what I was doing wrong with my clear capping. Oh my god, you're gonna see it in the video. I left the clear capping in all the way. Ooh, and there is a beautiful fine silver. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, guys. It's so subtle, but wow. Look what a big change it gives to my little pinky. Ooh, beautiful, right? Time to file. Because I want to do my color block, I'm gonna file that pink nice and crisp, so we can build up the pure black acrylic against it. Kabam! So we're gonna wipe, and look at that. That is nice and straight, right? Excuse me. So we're gonna wipe off all the dust, and now I'm gonna come in with the beautiful black acrylic. So I want to make like a really thin line. I'm bleeding out my brush with my powder so my bead is not too liquid, because we don't want it to run over the complete nail, right? We want like a nice thin line of black. And do you see how well this is working? I love this acrylic. Modelones, let me tell you, your acrylic is the bomb. It's really the bomb. Everybody needs to know it. Everybody needs to have it. Period. Period. Look how easy that goes. And keep in mind, I'm still a beginner, guys. Yeah, I have not done a lot of color blocks in my nail life. Let me assure you of that. You can check out all my other videos. I think maybe I have done it like one or two times. So yeah, look how easy I am doing it right here. Oh my goodness. So yeah, there is my clear powder. We're gonna cap those nails. We're gonna skip the middle finger because this one is not ready yet, remember? So there we go, there we go. So what I have discovered with this clear capping is that I was not taking enough powder with my liquid, and that was the reason why my clear acrylic was running all over the place. But oh my god, guys, look at that. Look at that. That is perfect, isn't it? Well, almost perfect. For me, it's perfect. I don't know what you think. Definitely let me know in the comments. I want to know your opinion. What do you think about my clear capping today? Because if you watched my last video and you watch this one, I think it's like a huge difference. Just saying. Yeah, I am so happy with the result. Oh my god. And look how thin the nails still are. Okay, so now we go to the ring finger. So like I already told you guys, I'm gonna show you all the fingers just because, oh look at that, that application is bomb, right? So the only difference I am actually doing, normally when I pick up a color bead, I'm gonna count to 3 when I dab my brush and my powder. So I put the brush in my powder and then I go like 1, 2, 3, and I always have perfect beads. But with the clear, you cannot do that. I always need to count till 5. So I dab my brush and my clear powder, and then I go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have the perfect powder to liquid ratio. At least in my case. I don't know if that is the case for everybody, but that's what I discovered. And oh, look at that. It works every single time with every single beat, right? Look at that. I'm like a pro right here. Say what? Have you seen that bead? How smooth it was applying into the rest of my acrylic? Look. Kabam! The bead is gone. Beautiful, right? Wow, I'm so happy I finally discovered what I was doing wrong. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of this clear capping, and then I'm gonna pop in for the rest, okay? Enjoy! Hey, are you already subscribed on my second channel, Sassy Fun with Nails? You better make sure you are subscribed because I have an amazing giveaway going on that other channel. Do you see that beautiful hand I'm working on? Well, you can get one yourself. It's a handolly hand and I'm giving one away on my other channel, okay? So you better go and subscribe. I hope to see you there. Hello everybody! Everybody still there? I'm gonna pop in again because I'm not filming how I am filing all the nails, but I did file them off screen after I was done clear capping them. And let me tell you, I only needed this file that I'm using right here. So I am also filing my black color block a bit right here. We're gonna make it nice and crisp so we can butt on the beautiful holographic gold right there. Oh my goodness, look at that. Beautiful, right? Oh, I'm so in love with that holographic gold. Oh my goodness. To be honest, guys, yeah, the complete kit, the complete acrylic kit that Modelones sent it to me. Don't ask me what my favorite is because I can just not answer. I love the silvers in it. I love this holographic gold in it. It's just wow. And let me tell you, look at that application, right? It's so creamy. It's going on like a butter. Oh my goodness. So yeah, after I applied this beautiful holographic gold, we of course gonna clear cap that as well. I'm don't gonna film this bit, guys, because yeah, you already have seen me doing like 4 nails. Of course, before I clear cap, I'm gonna file the complete nail. Look at that! What do you think? Beautiful, right? All nice and filed up. And it's top coating time. Oh my god, guys, you're gonna love this part. Look at the pinky. Do you see all the sparkle come to life? Say what? Oh my goodness. Yep, that's the fine silver glitter in this acrylic kit. Look how beautiful. It's like little stars, right? And oh my god, look at this holographic gold. Oh, look how it comes to life. Oh my goodness. I know it's a little bit hard to see the holo, but please trust me. Once you see it in a correct light, it's so beautiful. It's so holographic. And look at that black once it is top coated. That is like a pure black. Okay. Let's do the other nail. Look at that pink. Remember, this pink don't have the silver glitter. So if you want to know how the pink looks without anything on top of it, there you go. Isn't it beautiful? It really reminds me like a strawberry ice cream or like a strawberry milkshake. Oh, look at that black. Look at that. Ooh. Wow. For me, it looks a little bit like black leather. You know what I mean? Nice and shiny. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. Till now, that is the best black I ever encountered in my acrylic existence, okay? And now the thumb. Ooh, look at that. She's coming to life. Yeah, baby. Give it to us. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, right? Yeah, I love it so much. Look at that. So I'm gonna cure all my nails for 60 seconds. I know you can also cure them in 30 seconds, but I just want to play it on a safe way. So yeah, I always go like a little bit longer. But oh my goodness, do you see the hollow in that thumb? It's crazy, right? Look at that. So beautiful. Wow, look at the holographic. There it is. Now you see it. So what do you think, guys? Okay, time to play with my DIY Modelones stickers. So yeah, what do you think about the stickers I made? Do you like them? I hope you do. Oh my god, look how easy they apply as well. Look, there we go. 1, 2, and 3. Kabam kaboodle, there we go. Look at that, so cute, right? So remember, the first set I made, I used the black Modelones sticker, and on this one I used the pink Modelones sticker. Look at that. If I really want to, I can stop right there. But hey, we need the Model 1 logo on there, right? So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna use the black ones because I wanna do it over my pink nail. So yeah, pink on pink. I don't think you're gonna see that too much, right? So I decided to put 2 on there, but I think you're gonna see later in the pictures that I removed the bottom one. Yeah, I was not really liking how it was looking with both of them on there. So I did remove the bottom one, but I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it in the picture. You will see it on the enter, right? But look how cute it is. Say what? Look at that. So the last thing I'm gonna do with this set is apply some crystals. Yeah, I know I have not filmed all the placements because yeah, the trio player in this video is a Model 1, right? So I just filmed like a little bit of the crystal placement, but wow, yeah, wow. I am so happy with this set. So yeah, I am curing this as well for 1 minute. Look at my thumb. Beautiful, right? I did notice though I miss a little bit of my crystal placements, but yeah, I can always fix that later on, right? But look at the set, how beautiful is it? So yeah, definitely let me know which one is your favorite, this one or the first one I made with the silver. I am dying to know. So I'm gonna leave you now, guys. Geef deze beertjes een brul. Rauw. And stay sassy. Bye bye everybody. I love you all and I see you later. Mwah! Don't forget to subscribe on both my channels. Bye bye everybody.
Did you already subscribe to my channel? Don't forget to do it if you like the video. And also don't forget to bump the little thumbs up, okay?